So in this quick tutorial, we're just going to use a bleach out and spatter technique with some bleach. So this is thin bleach in a spray bottle, and I'm just going to lightly spatter the card. So the card's already got the ology ink on it. It's been dipped, and we just let that develop now. You'll see the spatters just start to get more white. Okay, so I've decanted some of the thin bleach into a little jar here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint the bleach onto the robot that I've stamped, just being careful not to go over the stamp lines. And this is going to take all that ink colour out of the robot. So once you've bleached all the ink out, you can either leave it white, like I have with this piece, or you can recolour it with a different colour with the ology ink. So that's it. A nice and easy quick tutorial for you.